Make a great choice today with the 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.